ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹಂತ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಂತೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮಾರು 3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ತಂಡ ಈಗ ತನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಮದರ್ ತೆರೇಸಾ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಜೀವನದ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟರು, ಸಾರ್ಥಕತೆಯ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟರು, ಆ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಚಿತ್ರೀಕರಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮನೋಭಾವದಿಂದ ತಂಡ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತಂಡದಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನು, ಭೂಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮದರ್ ತೆರೇಸಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವೂ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅವರು ಹೋಗದೇ ಇರೋ ಸ್ಥಳವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಹೊಸ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಸ ಉರುಪಿನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರಿ ಈಗ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಂಡದ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಚಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಇದು ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತಂಡ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಾಪಿಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಏನಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರವರ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಚಿತ್ರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅವರವರ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಿತ್ರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲು ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
In cameraman P. Sukumar, my guru senior is doing, and I am very happy to be a part of this huge project, and thanking all of you.
This is Anita. I am an artist in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu. So thanks to my director and producer for giving this big project. Thank you.
I'm not much of a talker, so I'm just happy to be a part of this big project and for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Safi Kaur and I'm based in Mumbai. So they approached me for this project, which is also they are making in Hindi. So it's quite comfortable into in Hindi, so I can speak and I can act into it. I'm being the part of this project. As director told that we are not so much familiar about this project. This is just we are connected with it. So yeah, we are really looking forward, and he has been already explained about it, that what is up to and what they are about. One of the characters I'm doing also into it, and yeah, thank you. Over here. Yeah, earlier I have done a Malayalam project with Fahad Fazil, which is a Malik movie that I have done. I have done a web series with Randeep Hooda. It's Inspector Avinash, which is on Geo. I have done a recently a Hindi movie with Arbaz Khan, Ilarun, Sanjay Mishra, and yeah, Nikita Datta. There are lots of people out there. Thank you.
Name is
Sorry? Pardon? Yeah, I guess so. I mean, things are like in talks. They will brief me and they will let me know what exactly it is. He will find me. Might be there are other options too. We will figure it out. But as of now, as paper told me that it would be the journalist, one of the leading characters, like the primary characters they are asking for. Yeah.
so I'm from Kerala, and I'm doing an art director in many Malayalam movies, and I'm doing some character roles in Malayalam movies. And I am thankful to my director and my producer to be a part of this huge project. Okay, thanks.
I'm acting in this web series. It's called Mother Teresa. My character is an orphan. Thank you.
Anima Menon and this Anita's mother and daughter. That they didn't say that. She's mother, but she's a senior actress. She acted so many films in Malayalam, and now she's doing Tamil serials, leading character. Already 300, 400 episodes of company also. She's a co-producer, and she's doing a role also in this. She's Anita, and Tanima Menon was my student. She acted in my last film. This is going to be released next month. She was a heroine in that movie. This is a second venture now. She's doing. That is the subject. That they didn't tell, but I ought to. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Madam? Budget. Budget, we asked them per episode 1 CR. The bargaining is going on. So I don't know how much they will give. So I don't want to tell you budget, then you will count the profit. So I don't want to tell. Yes, naturally. That is not our budget. We want that much money and then only we will get some profit. Per episode 1 crore.